This video is one of the most important in a long time that I made it. So make sure to pay attention and watch the full video. We're gonna talk about multiple things and multiple altcoins that have a lot of potential. So make sure that you pay attention and that you do not miss out on these juicy gems, because they are still low caps and they can perform 50x, 100x and even more than that in a full-blown bull run when we have a lot of euphoria in the market. So pay attention. Let's get into it right away. We saw NAVI. I have shared this on my YouTube channel before. If you would come to my YouTube channel and you go to the downside, as you could see, 2 weeks ago, I was sharing that I'm buying these two undervalued altcoins right now. If you do not want to miss the other one, go check out this video and check it before it pumps as well. But as you could see, we shared it at 23 cents. Currently, NAVI is at 50 cents, so that's a 2x in 2 weeks time. But with the VIP group, we loaded up at around 8 cents right here. So if you want to be very early, make sure to join our VIP group. As you can see right here, this was our first buy with the VIP group 2 months ago. The group is only 2 months live. And we shared this. I was scanning it from around 12 cents and we got in around 8 cents. We're now up more than 500% in only 2 months, and this is just the beginning for NAVI because it's so small. This has easy 10-20x from here. Easy. Especially if it keeps going, it can be one of the best performers in the AI and DeFi narrative. I also said this on Twitter like 5 minutes ago. Make sure to follow me. I'm sharing some free alpha there. But my first alpha, when I buy or sell, that's for my VIP group members. And that's where I share all the details. And if we have coins that perform a bit better, we will start sharing it on Twitter or YouTube. But you have to understand, my members are in it for a reason. So they get the early bird opportunity. But don't sleep on NAVI. You're still very early if you're seeing this. It's not because we're on a 5x that this cannot keep going. So keep that in mind. If it 10x's from here, we will have a 50x, 20x will be a 100x. And I see a lot of potential in this one. Go check it out on Twitter as well. I will show you quickly what it's about. So as you can see, Atlas Navi is an AI navigation app with around 700k downloads. They also have their app on the Apple App Store. Not many projects or applications have that in crypto. So that's also something very bullish because it's not that easy to get on it. So as you can see, you can drive to earn with this one. This is something very interesting. You can just put it in your car, you can drive, you can earn money. This is just something that's gonna get a lot of hype, and it's also in the AI narrative. So make sure to do not miss this one because I really believe it will blow up. It's not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but make sure to do your own research. I'm just sharing the opportunity right here and now. We have another video 4 months ago where I'm sharing some gems. If you would have seen this, Nakamoto Games, this is currently at around $3. This is also 2x up, a little bit more even than that, and has so much more room to go. This is very bullish in the gaming space. So make sure to take a look at it and do not sleep on this one. I'm sharing it and I keep resharing it right here because you should not miss this one. Tara is another one that we're talking about. If you take a look at the price back then, Taraxa was at 0.01. If you take a look right now, I think it's still at the same, but I had a huge pump after we shared it. And I already took some profits right there. And it was just we're playing on the narrative of Kaspa. So this is around the same entry. So if you have interest in a dark blockchain that could become the next Kaspa and get in that narrative, get some hype because Kaspa is huge. It's in the billion market cap right now. If you take a look. So this one could also be interesting to start loading up. As you can see, if it would go there, that would be like 100. No, let's say 100 is 50. 505. No, it would be around 70-60x if we go to the market cap of Kaspa. I'm not expecting that, but just to 1 billion Tara would be 20x from here. I don't think Kaspa is going to do a 20x. It is possible, but I'm not in it for now. I'm looking at more low caps to get that huge potential and receive 100x or even more. Then we had another one, Change Finance, and this one is also going very good, 0.08, and this is also now tripled. Let's take a look. So I'm sharing this right here. If you appreciate this, that I share the early opportunities, low cap gems that nobody is talking about, not much people are talking about. Most people talk about bigger high caps, which you will never get the percentage of gains with low caps, like you can have with low caps. So this is also at a 2x. It's still very small, guys. It's now at all-time high price discovery. So I think this one is also very good to load up on right now. But it's not financial advice. Do your own research. I can just share the opportunity right here and now with you. Now, we have some other projects that we looked at, and this one went really crazy. It went like 800%, 900% in 6 days. And I said it here, do not miss the Pepe of AVAX. This will be massive. And we were talking about Landwolf. Landwolf just pumped really hard. We bought it at around 1 cent here. When I shared it, it was 1 cent. Now it dumped a lot, but it's still even like 3x up or something. Let's take a look. No, it's not this one. This is the Ethereum one. It's not this one. It's the one on AVAX. If I type it right. All right. So as you can see, still at around 3x and a half up. We bought it at 7 million. So that's almost, 3x up right now. And it already went like, just look, it went massive. Since we bought, it just flew. We bought in around here and it just flew up like crazy. Now we have a big retracement. It could be a good time to get in. It's not something that I would recommend. It's a high risky meme play. So I'm not buying more here. I'm just holding my position. I already took some profit. If you want to know when I take profit and all those things, just join the VIP group. Everything is shared what I'm doing myself. And also update on Bitcoin, altcoins, everything you need to know to stay ahead of the game and make juicy gains in crypto. So this was one as well. And then we have another one that I shared as last one, this one 3 days ago. I also want to thank everyone for the support, for watching, for commenting, subscribing, liking, sharing. Thank you very much. I appreciate every single one of you. In the future, we will do some giveaways as well on this YouTube channel, Twitter. Make sure to give me a follow on Twitter as well. Would be much appreciated because we're going to build something big in crypto. So as you can see, this one also risky meme play. I also give an update about Bitcoin, altcoins right here 3 days ago. And you could see I expected some more downside. So if you watch this, you should be prepared. So if we take a look right here, what is the project? And we see it right here, 40. And we bought in at around 4 million market cap, something like that. Let me take a look. People. So if this, and now it's at 1.8 million 3 days ago, and currently it's around 1.6 million, and it went as low as like 1.2, 1.1, 1.3 billion. So let's see what it gives. I think this is at the bottom range, and once it's gonna break out, it's gonna be very hard. It has a juicy narrative about the Pepe, and yeah, this could easily, in my opinion, 10x from here, but it could also go to 0. So make sure to do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And keep in mind, it's a very high risky play. It can go very fast up, but it also can go very fast down. And we see that with the volatility, it just keeps going like crazy. So yeah, keep that in mind. And if you look at this, if I see this, I think this is going to be bullish in the coming weeks. But let's see what comes. I cannot predict everything right. I'm just doing my best to anticipate on everything so we can make a lot of gains in crypto. So that's it for today. I hope this was interesting, that you saw some opportunities. Now, I'm going to share at least the chart of NAVI. Like, what do I really expect? So if you look at weekly, and we reset the chart view, you can see right here, this was our entry that we got in. So we are around up 500, 600% right now. And if you take a look at the chart, I see us coming down to maybe 17 cents, but I don't think it's going to happen. I think the lowest we can go is 23 cents, would be a min 50%. But Bitcoin should also go down then. So if you take a look at Bitcoin, we saw a daily candle to the downside. We saw back Now we're trying to stay a bit here. If we stay in this range and consolidate, I think alts could push more. So this could even push higher. And $1 would be an easy psychological target to hit. And after that, we will make sure to stay looking at it. And I will update in my VIP group everything that I'm doing and when I'm taking some more profits. We already took some profits. We have a very juicy moonback for this one to just let it run in the bull run. And as I say, this has a 10-20x potential from here. So that would bring it at $5 or $10 in between it. That's what I am currently looking at. If you want to know every detail, every move that I'm making at the moment itself, make sure to take a look at our VIP group. So here right now you see our VIP group. This is just some details you can to see. You can choose for 50 a month, 3 months, 130, 500 a year, and 2000 once. We also have Forex bot, HFT bot that we try to help you with getting a funded account. So we have funded passing services. These are the prices. But if you are a VIP member for at least 3 months, you will get a 50% discount. So this will only cost you the half of the prices to receive a funded account of this. We're also working on a gold bot that you can live put on the funded account and it can trade automatically for you, so you don't have to stress about trading yourself anymore. So that's all the things that are happening right now behind the scenes, and a lot of things are coming into our VIP group. We also have a Paulo's room. This is another person that's really good in technical analysis and searching for small new projects that do pre-sales or just gonna launch. So that's also an interesting extra that we now added in the VIP group. So make sure that if you want to be a part of it, just click on the link right here on YouTube. If you come to my YouTube channel, you can click right here. Let's take a look at 2 altcoins, low cap gems that have the all the information and just start. That's it. If you have any questions, just send me a message on Twitter. You can also join our free Telegram group, and I will see you into the next video. Take care, everyone. Thanks for watching, and see you into the next one.